should be no politics, first of all, as highlighted, because we need to live here like earlier days with peaceful coexistence. That is the ultimate crux of the resolution we have come to know out of this particular meeting. Secondly, it is being ensured by our West Jaintia Hills counterpart, border magistrate and our learned advocate, and the demand was that whosoever was the culprit behind the incident of killing a native of this particular Tapat village, he would be taken to task. At the same time, he would be handed over as per the procedure of law after due investigation, as well as per the procedure of IPC and BNSS. Thirdly, today we have come to know that meeting after meeting we cannot call for, convene for, and everyone cannot attend this meeting time and again, even if we are willing. Because why we cannot await? Because of this particular crop. This particular crop cannot wait for under 4 or 5 days. Okay, we need to know that, and it belongs to someone who is a native of West Jaintia Hills or some natives of our own Tapat village at the same time. It will be affected both the counterparts at the same time. So it should be harvested urgently and with the consensus of both these village headmen. My village headman is here, that is Tapat. He has also opined today, and your village Lapangap is here. He has also consented at the same time that there will be no law and order, okay, regarding harvesting. So this has been the thing we have come into conclusion today, that harvesting cannot wait time and again with lot of meetings after meetings, because so many spokesperson is there at the same time. Every day they will be giving a new terms and conditions. We cannot await like that at the same time, because of the fraternity, because of the peaceful coexistence in the greater and larger interest. We need to know that you are going to hand over the culprit whosoever committed this crime on 9th of October, where we lost our dearest brother or Orival Timum. At the same time, we are going ahead with the harvesting and some plantation at the same time, because this has been going on since centuries. It should not be an issue like taking some weapons, threatening each other, because we are in the same boat. We need to know that. And with these few words, I want to conclude here with the hope. Our Augustine, brother Augustine is here.
Sir, I'm here, sir.
He's the chairman of our peace committee. Lot of responsibilities actually he was being actually vested with, and he's a very worried person. I understand that, but the fact remains, at the same time, we cannot compromise peace at any cost. Okay, and law and order should prevail, peace should prevail, and harvesting should continue at the same time without any further delay, with a consensus. Thank you. So I want to have a photograph with all of you at the same time, because we are holding meeting after meeting. Nothing comes out. At the same time, we are facing with a new incident always. Okay, this is not going to stop if we are not going to come with certain conclusion here. Okay, people are there to discredit you. People are there to discredit me at the same time. People are there to discredit you at the same time for the administration. People are there to discredit you being the Gagura. We need to know that. Okay, we are having certain responsibilities. We need to know that. And we are accountable to the people here, is not it? For their life, for their property and everything. Thank you.